G'day all. I've had a number of people ask me about the SE-03 and what I think it would be like running on gas. So I've made up a gas burner, a round circular gas burner. Here's some photos of it now. So we'll light it up and we'll see how the SE-03 goes on gas. Open up the boiler door. Turn that gas on. That's a light now. It's just starting to, ceramics just starting to get red. You can see the glowing there. So we'll close the door up and we'll come back when that safety valve's lifting. We'll see how she runs on gas. Alright, that safety valve is blowing off. It's nice and hot in there. We'll open the steam valve up, let some steam through. And here we are, we're off. Pressure gauge is staying up. That's a bubble in there, that's not showing the correct water level. The water level is full, but that's a bubble. There's no blow down on this gauge here. Just turn them up a little bit. Go a little bit faster. Well, that's running beautifully. Definitely a lot more heat coming off the gas burner. Pressure gauge is staying up. I'll just show you in here again. So I made that out of some copper tube and cut a circle out of some ceramic, and it's connected to the Bix gas burner, gas tank, and I made this part here that's going into the burner. It's all worked very well. Gas valve, sorry, pressure valve is staying. Just looking at something here. Yep, that's all right. Yep, pressure gauge is staying up high. Just turn it up a little more, get some speed up. We'll turn the light on. Pressure gauge hasn't dropped at all. That's running really well. There's a lot of heat going into that boiler. Now, just remember one thing: if you do this mod, the spirit burner is made to fill the spirit burner up, bring the boiler to steam. By then, the spirit burner will have run out of fuel. You refill the spirit burner. That will coincide with a perfect, by the time that spirit burner's run dry, the boiler has got no chance of running dry, so you won't damage the boiler. So just remember, if you do a gas conversion or a gas mod, just be careful that you won't know unless you're watching this, and if you get a bubble in here, you might forget. Just be careful that you don't run your boiler dry. But look at that, there's been no drop in the pressure gauge whatsoever. Now, I haven't had a problem running it off spirits. I've got many hours on this SE-03 now. But I was surprised with on the forums and Facebook and PMs on YouTube how many people were asking what I thought it would run like on a gas burner. So there you are, running on gas, running quite nicely. I'll just turn that up a little bit more, get a bit more speed on. Let's drop the pressure gauge a little tiny bit. It's just an absolutely stunningly beautiful engine. I just love everything about this plant. I love the vertical boiler. Turn that down and get that running a bit slower. Some water running out there. I think Retrol did a fantastic job with the SE-03. Okay, there we have it. The SE-03 running off gas. Just turn that gas off and see how long it takes to go through the steam that's built up there. So the gas is off now. Yep, straight away. Okay, I'll turn that steam valve off. And there we go. As always, thanks for watching and bye now.